Hi everyone, this is Kipo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa Beanie Crumbs. Hindi pa tayo tapos for today's video sa Beanie. So in one sec and no longer, let's start this reaction video. Anong meron dito kata ni Colette? Oh my God, she's so pretty talaga, no? Akin lang. Chares! Okay. Ay, ano meron? Ay, Shino versus Ay. Ano? Diyos ko, si Shino parang yung baby. Ay, sino to? Si Shino ba to? Wait, supply mo. Oo, si Shino nga. Kala ko si Joanna. Ay, si Mika. Oh, ay, ang kulang.
Natutulog na yan.
Ay, ano to? Excited daw.
Bakit di yan kinukulit?
Ay, bagot ang balon.
Ayan, sige.
Pabili po
Marami sila.
masaya panglalis ko sa buhay at siyang aking pahinga. Pabili po ng
Sakay Colette na IG story. Wala, ang ganda ni Colette. Wala, Colette is so pretty. Ang ganda ko naman ng buhok niyo. No? Ay, si Stacey, of course. Ang bago kong favorite. Lahat naman sila favorite ko. Depende na lang talaga sa era. Depende na lang talaga sila sa era nilang dalawa for today's video. As in, yung dalawa. Ilang one. Ay. Okay. Ay, ang pogi. Nagda-drive siya sa US. Ay. She's from US naman kasi talaga. Pero I didn't know na may license siya. Wow. Dapat ba talaga, KJ? Alam mo. Okay, sige. Siguro as long as may license ka dito sa Pilipinas na. Tama ba? Ganda ni Colette. Oh my God. Ganda talaga ni Colette. Wala na. Ay, ano to? I'm crying with you. I'm crying with you. Okay. Napanood na natin yan. Tingnan natin dito. Ay, hello. Back Beanie Bloom and making the whole room blush. Saan to? Uy, bongga yung kanilang mga ano, no? Bongga ang kanilang mga, what do you call this? Ay, yes. Ang mga lugar na pupuntahan nila. Oh my God! Atake sila. May learn. Hindi mo kaya. Atake sila, mami. May hanalulo pa sila. Ay. Oo, si Gian pala ng Kapom Show. So yan na nangyayari. Ay. Is this the dance practice nila, no? Are they wearing P6000 nga? Oo, gusto ko din magkaroon ng P6000 pero inuna ko talaga yung Vomero 5 kasi ang ganda sa paa ng Vomero 5. Favorite ko siya na sapatos actually. Ang gaan-gaan.
No, because what do you mean I met Beanie
Ay.
while shopping at Sephora? Spend another day with me in LA. First stop
Talaga?
and met up with my friend Mika for brunch. This was my first time here. You already saw the
Yeah.
taste test video. I had no idea they had beauty stuff here too. I actually enjoyed my meal. I would definitely come back and try some more. Next stop was Sephora. I had a list of things I wanted to get. Most were sold out though. The upside is I got to meet some of the Beanie girls who were
Ay.
also shopping there. This is Maloy showing me her haul. She got some really great things. They're so sweet.
Oh
And
my
I got
God, ang ganda ni Aya. Oh my God, bareface Aya never disappoints. Para talaga siyang si Mama Mary. Like, where's the lie?
They're so sweet, and I got really kilig when they said they watch my videos. Anyway,
Ay,
this is the
talaga?
only thing I got from Sephora, and then I got this eyeliner from Victoria Beckham Beauty from Nordstrom. Said bye to Mika and took a Waymo for the first time, which was definitely an experience. Next stop was Rodeo Drive. Brendan and I planned to meet here after he's done working. I saw Danita and Keith, which was nice because she
sino
went to
naman to?
Coachella, but I
Okay, sige na, tapos na. Ay! Anong chika ni Kuya?
Kamo yan kulit.
Kaya kayo kayo.
Yes, and we will teach you the sign language part. So, you raise your two hands, and then you swipe it from down and then up. Down, up,
And then up.
and then this one together with your head. Ta, ta, and then right, left, right. 人生不是比赛，人生不是比赛。
Wow.
Nobody does it like you, na na na. You make me
Pwede nabanggit kanina, siyempre yung set list ng girls. Daming pinagdaanan ng diskusyon kung paano mabuo yung, yung opening song. Nagbotohan pa, Shaggy D ba? Una ba pa-perform ang Shaggy D at still sa second week? Because we were definitely sure with two songs sa Tagalog, na Pantropiko at Salamin-Salamin.
Oo.
Those songs, and definitely those songs are the top, the highest stream naman of being. So, imposible hindi namin isama yun. And we also wanted to have, a lot of English songs because we were singing to an English audience and we didn't
Yes,
want
exactly.
to alienate them. So, yung third song, pinabotohan na yun. And ang
Carrera.
nanalo nga doon is Carrera. So,
Yes.
nasama yung Carrera. And I think it's a meaningful song, not only
Yes, of
to
course.
Beanie for Blooms. And it's nice to know na na-appreciate nila yung Tagalog songs natin.
Mm-mm.
Even yung Spills and Girls, actually Spills and Girls, the girls own that. The Spills of the second week with yung Tagalog dialect, I think that was a decision with Coach Mickey and the girls. May iba, including having the flag there, was
Yes.
really a
Iconic.
good decision.
Oo, super.
Kudos to Coach Mickey
Si Coach
and to the
Mickey.
girls for being able to bring to represent the Philippines and to be proud of being Filipinos. So,
Of course. Si Mika, parang wala siyang appendix. Just... Grabe siyang gumalaw, ma'am. Sa totoo lang. Akala mo talaga parang walang bukas talaga siya pag gumalaw. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Ganda na yun. Anyways, that is our for today's video from Beanie Crowns. This is Filipo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.